Hey, Doppelganger Life Math and History, and this is an SAT motivation. So, today is March 30th, 2022, and most juniors, well actually all the juniors, and some seniors are taking a test called an SAT. An SAT helps you with your ability in math and critical reading. But today, we're going to do a sample question for math that might help you when you take an SAT and what happens. So, we're going to try and do this kind of problem. If 3 distributive property 2x minus 3 equals 33, what is the value of x? So, the first thing you want to do is, if you need time, reread the question above. That is going to be a key clue to helping you solve this problem. The next thing we gotta do is try to understand what the solutions are. We have A, 4, B, 6, C, 7, D, 33 divided by 5, or 33/5 as a fraction, and E, I don't know. In order to solve a question on an SAT, you fill in the bubble. But if you're on a computer, you click the bubble. You actually have to fill in the bubble the whole thing. So, the first thing that you don't want to do is I wouldn't use E, or I wouldn't fill in E, because that does not always mean the correct answer. I don't know means you automatically get the answer incorrect because you don't know. So let's try solving it. So what we could also do is we can also cross off the answers that don't make sense and ones that don't really seem like they make sense to the problem. So we can definitely cross out E, because I don't know doesn't seem like a really good answer. It doesn't seem like it. 35, or 33/5, or 33 divided by 5 also doesn't seem like an answer, because number 2, our equal sign to 33 does not look like a fraction. So we can probably check this one off too. But we discolor it. We cross it out. So using process of elimination, we have 4, 6, 7 left. Let's see what happens. So, when the SAT gives you answers as fill in the bubble, when you do that, you have to insert something in for x. But the first thing you are so tempted to do in your algebra is what you want to do is simplify it. When you do that, you have 6x minus that by 9 equals 33. Add that by 9, add this side by 9, and you get an answer of 42. 6x equals 42. Divide that by 6, x is going to equal 7. A good way to solve and check is by inserting 7 into the formula or equation. So 3 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 7, minus 3, and in parentheses, equals 33. 2 multiplied by 7 will become 14. Subtract that by 3 is going to be 11. 3 multiplied by 11 equals 33. So what we can do is we can say, fill in the bubble, 7 is going to be our answer for this example. Ever wonder why you always see an SAT question very confusing? Because when they make the SAT questions, they always confuse you by having the different answers, A, B, C, D, E, and etc., different numbers that seem like they work in the equation, but they don't. This breaks the rules of mathematics, because some people say, wait, 7 might work, wait, no way, 4 might work, no, 6 might work. So, they try to make equations or they try to make answers that students commonly mistaken as the correct answer. So that's why you gotta look out for the answers in the bubbles, and you actually gotta show your work and possibly use trial and error. Commonly, many people cross out the answers that don't seem to make sense, like I don't know is not an answer, or 33/5 doesn't seem like an answer. We crossed it out. Some countries, besides the SAT, because the SAT is only in America, some countries actually have exams where they have answers that say, I don't know. Even China's Gaokao has the answer, I don't know, on some of them. If you ever come across a math SAT question that you don't understand, some people might actually guess instead of doing the work. They will try and do the work, but if it doesn't work out for them, they'll probably guess. And this is what they probably think about.
Yeah, I have this thing here that can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across.
Let me just... wait. Up. Down. Did it work?
So when you're taking these kind of problems, guessing is not always the greatest idea. Trying it out does, but if that doesn't work, and even if you don't understand the math part, you probably might want to guess about it. So, that concludes our video. I hope this video has helped you understand what an SAT example problem is. Good luck to the juniors of 2022. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the SAT or this video, then talk to your test administrator for help.